whiteboard or blackboard has been an important part of our education system for a long time. Even for online classes, we see the digital version of it. You might have already noticed that you are watching whiteboard sketch animation videos while I explain this. This style of storytelling is really interesting. Don't be too tensed. Creating this animation from an image is really simple. I have created an open source application for this, which can be installed on your local computer, and it does not require a GPU. That's right, it runs on CPU only. So let's jump into the installation steps. We only need Python and pip to be installed on your computer. So now let's visit our GitHub repository, link will be in the description, and let's open Google Cloud Shell. I want to show you that it can run only on CPU because Google Cloud Shell does not have any GPU and it's completely free. Only you need a Google account. Anybody can use this. Just type in shell.cloud.google.com and you are good to go. And as we see, we have the machine ready. Let's copy the link. Go into your shell or terminal wherever you want. Then type in git clone, paste the link, hit enter, and that is it. It's a public repository. It will be cloned to your local machine. And let's verify that. Yes, there is one folder. Let's go into that directory AI image to sketch. Then if you check the README of our application, it has automatic installation or manual installation steps. You can copy along this. And there is a known issue. I'll talk about that later. But yeah, you can install these packages also, and simply then we can run our app. We will see one by one. Now we are on our terminal. I will update the apt repository, sudo apt update, but this is for the fix only. If you want to run locally and if you do not have Linux, that is completely fine. Then I will install ffmpeg and the other dependencies. Simply copy paste the comments. Now it is getting installed. Once the installation is done, I will basically create one Python virtual environment. Again, this is also optional. You can skip this. You can directly install the pip modules. And as we see, the env folder is now created with the virtual environment command. Now let's activate that. Type in source env/bin/activate. Now let's run pip install -r requirements.txt. It will try to download all the required modules from the internet. Once that is done, we are all set. Now it seems all packages are installed. Now simply run our application. Let's check all the files, and your file is image to sketch ui.py. Run python that particular file from that directory and you will get an local URL with a port number 7860. As I am using Google Cloud Shell, I can open that in browser. What I need to do, I'll go into the preview mode at the top right, then I'll click on change port, and here I will type the port number which is showing on our screen, 7860, change and preview, and very quickly we will get our application. And this is the application which I have developed, and it is really simple. All I need to upload one image. We can change some parameters and we'll see the action. Now let's do that. I'll upload an image which I've used in the beginning of this video. I have selected that, click on open. Once your file is uploaded, you will notice the image width, image height, split length, and few details will be auto selected depending on your image resolution and other properties. And let's open the same file in our local file system, and as you see, the resolution is showing 1280 into 720. And let's check what it is showing on our web application, and it is also showing the same. Now let's take a split length. Split length is nothing but basically how you want to divide your images into grids. If you take a higher number or greater number, the sketch will be much faster, and if you take a smaller value, the sketch will be little slower, and the total duration of the video will be little bit more. And I think for this example, I'll go with 10 first. So let's select 10, and rest frame rate and other things can be default. And important thing, the color image duration. I'll change the line maybe in future. So basically this is the final image or the actual image which we have uploaded, for how much seconds it will be shown after the sketch is complete. And once you click on submit button, you will see some numbers are going on your console or screen, and within few seconds you will get your video ready. As you see, total time has been taken around maybe 11 seconds, and once we go to our application, we'll see the video is generated and it's around 25 seconds. Let's play this. The sketch speed is little bit slow, but we can increase it using the split or higher split length also. We can expand that from the application itself. We can play that again. And all those videos will be saved in a particular directory. In the same directory where your code is running, there will be one folder called saved videos, and you will see some video with a number .mp4 will be generated. So let's upload another image, and this time it is with the same resolution, and let's go with some higher number, maybe 20. Then I'm leaving rest default. Let's click on submit. Again it will take some time. Yeah, it's generated within 2.6 seconds. Only 7 seconds. Let's play that. Yeah, the sketch is much faster now. So you can play around with this split length and other objects. And if you click on the download button, it will try to download that. As I am running this on Cloud Shell, but I can click on the 3 dot, then I can click on download button from there. And my video is downloaded now, which is 400 KB. And I can play using our local VLC player. That is going really smooth. Let's come back to our application now. These images are having standard resolution like 720p. What about some images which is some other dimensions, maybe 1005 into 602. Let's see what our application does to this image. Let's upload this image, select and open, and it has changed the target resolution. It has taken the nearest standard resolution which can match the image, like 1080 and 640. And we can take any split length. As this is smaller in dimensions, I'll take 10. Let's click on submit. Again it will take few seconds. 3.7 seconds. 11 seconds video has been generated. Let's play this. Looks really nice, isn't it? You can click on download and you can pause play from there, or you can click on download again. And what about a color image? We were using all the sketch type images. Let me use my own image, which is 360 by 360. I'll take a smaller split length, which is 3, and let's click on submit button. It is being generated. It has been generated within 2.3 seconds, and let's play this. As I've taken 3, the video speed is little bit less. I can increase the speed. After the sketch is completed, the complete colored image will be displayed on your video. I'll try to add a new feature where I can convert my colored image to any grayscale image or any sketch type image. But that's a topic for another video. Thanks for watching this video.